My name is Amy from Simple Organized Gal on Etsy, and today I have a free dated 2024 digital planner for you. There are two links in the description of this video. One is for the dated digital planner, and the second is for some custom cover pages. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add both of those documents into Goodnotes and then updating the cover page so that you can customize it to your needs. Then I'm going to give you a quick tour of this planner so that you can optimally use it to make 2024 your best year. So with that being said, it's time to get organized. Once we are in Goodnotes, then we can import our planner. So what we will do is click on this big new square, and you'll see that there's a bunch of options there. The one that we are looking for is import. From the import menu, these are some stickers that I'm making for a sticker book, but if you head on down to where your files are downloaded, in my case it's downloads, then you can locate the planner and select it or open it for the import. Now that our planner is imported into Goodnotes, the first thing that I'm going to show you is how we can change this cover page. So this is the default page that is attached to the planner, and there was another link in the description that I've already downloaded and imported into Goodnotes here. So these are the other cover page options that we have, and these are the 4 themes for all of our products on my Etsy shop. So the one that I'm going to import into the planner is going to be this pink one. So in order to do that, we are going to select the top right 3 dots, and we're going to select copy page. Now we can go back into the planner, and we are going to press this add button on the top right. And what we can do is we want to add a page before this page, and I am just going to select the paste page option. So there you go. Now we have that page added. And now I want to delete this page because now that we've replaced the cover page. So going back to those 3 dots on the top right, and we can select move this page to trash. There we go. So now we have our cover page, and then we have a welcome page and a welcome note. So everything in this planner is hyperlinked for your convenience. And this little pen on the top left middle icon, that is our magic wand for using the hyperlinks. So as you can see, when we have that on, this additional menu appears, and these are all of the tools that are available within Goodnotes. And if we toggle it off, then this is going to allow us to navigate to the different areas of this planner. So if we select the home button on the top right, then that takes us back to this index page, and you can see that we have some custom sections on the left, some organizational items in the middle, and then just some blank note pages on the right. Moving along down the right-hand navigation menu, just below the house, we have the yearly view. And so all of these dates are hyperlinked for 2024. So say, for example, that we want to navigate to April 30th, then we can just select the date and it takes us right there. If we want to go to the weekly view, then we can just select the week on the top right, and that brings us to the week that has April 30th in it. From the weekly view, we can even head on over once again to those days. Moving down on the navigation menu again, just below the yearly calendar, we have a prior year reflection. And, before we dive into a new year, it's sometimes nice to just pause and reflect on our achievements and even failures from the previous year. If you scroll over, then we also have a letter of intention for the year ahead so that you can just start off on a right foot. Now, scrolling down, we can just select any of these months on the right, and that takes us to the monthly view. Once again, we can select the dates from there. Alternatively, we can even select the weeks. So everything is super easy for you to navigate. On the bottom, you'll see that we even have the hyperlinks to the lists, which on the top section here on the right, you'll see that we can even toggle to meeting notes, project tracker, or back to lists. And then we've also got the option to go to blank pages from that blank page icon on the bottom right. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. It really means a lot to me. If you did want to check out my Etsy shop to see what other digital planners I have or other products that are digital, then I've also included a link in the description below. So thank you again, and we'll catch you next time.